Video is for grade 7. So this is part A of the first practice exam that I gave to you guys. So it's important that you realize that for questions 1 to 6, which are multiple choice questions, so you choose from A, B, C, and D, you have to transfer them to your answer key. So I will not see this copy of your paper. I'm only going to see the student booklet. So it says write them in the student booklet. Darken the letter that corresponds to your answer. Otherwise, you'll get 0 on that section because I will not see what your answers were. So each one is worth 4 marks. You don't have to show your work. You can if you want to. Like, you can write all over this. I won't see it afterwards, but you do need to have the right answer to get the 4 marks. It's either 0 or 4. Okay, so the first question says, which of the following shapes is a regular convex polygon? We spoke a lot in class about regular and polygons, and I explained to you guys for this practice exam what the difference between convex and concave. But I told you guys that on your exam there's not going to be ever any area of a polygon that is bigger than a quadrilateral. So you have to know the triangles and the quadrilaterals that we learned in class, but those are the only ones that you're responsible for. But you would still have to be able to do the perimeter of a regular polygon. So again, a polygon is just a shape. Okay, you have to have at least 3 sides to have a shape to make it closed. Regular polygon means all sides and angles are the same. Okay, so immediately we can cross out B and C, because that is not the case. Like well, first of all, this rectangle, all the angles are the same, but the side lengths are different. It's a rectangle, not a square. So a square would be a regular polygon, but in this case, the rectangle is not. Same thing for this one. These angles are not all the same. Okay, so the angles are different, so that one's not all the same. A and D are both, well, okay, so they both have like the same number of sides that are the same length. Okay, so the star as well, all of those are the same length, but the angles are not all the same. Okay, so here some of them have reflex angles, which is when you have an angle that is bigger than 180 degrees. And when you have a reflex angle, those shapes are convex. The ones that are that have only angles smaller than 180 degrees, those are called concave. Sorry, okay, this would be concave. Okay, this is when you have sides that are caved in, like the star. Okay, when you have convex, there's no angle bigger than 180 degrees. Okay, so concave is like caved in. Convex is the ones that are caved out. Again, that vocabulary word is not in your exam for this year, but it is something that you could need to know going forward. So in this case, the answer was D. Okay, this is actually a pentagon, but it is a regular pentagon because all 5 of the sides are the same length and all of the angles would be the same angle.